everyone, it's Rebecca Fanai here. I am currently visiting the location for Chin, which is a company, a business here that is located. But one of the main things that they are so focused on is pouring back into the community. And one of the ways that they do it is through what we call our nonprofit organization, Chin-Myanmar Community Care. They've been active for some time now, and the main purpose is really just to give back to the community, but also a really important thing is they give the chance for other people to give back to the community as well. Unfortunately, it's been over 2 years since the Burmese military declared a coup in Burma, Myanmar, our hometown. And I had the chance to go back to Mizoram, which is the border in India, which is the border of Myanmar, and I was able to visit about 20 refugee camps. So I was able to see how much of a need there was, and the Indian government itself, they're unable to support in many resources as well. So this is a time that you and I can be a part of giving back. And you know, a lot of the times when we do our funds and we donate it, sometimes we are unsure where it's going. And I want to show you today a very practical way that you can be a part of the community. So with Chin-Myanmar Community Care, they are invested in working and collaborating together with Kenshi candles. So right here, I've got one right in front of me. And as you can see on the top, it says life-changing candle. So that already tells you that there is a purpose and a meaning behind this candle that I'm holding right now. And this current one is passion fruit and lime. It smells amazing. I myself am a candle lover. I have like 3 in my room at a time. I can tell you that it makes a whole difference for your mood. But most importantly, it's that not just in donating, but you are part of a bigger community. You are able to buy something that you can have as use, or it can be a gift to somebody else as well, but at the same time you are giving it for someone. So just imagine a cup of coffee that you grab every morning. Maybe you can just keep it in your little piggy bank for just a second, right? And if you save it for maybe 3 days, that isn't enough to buy just one candle, and that is supporting a family, or that is paying the dues that are needed for kids back home to get their immunizations, or maybe you're getting a rice bag. You know, one of the times that I went at this one camp, they didn't have enough rice anymore. So we had these grandpas and grandmas that were making porridge. So they were making, you know, whatever they could have left out of. There was no curry, there was no dishes, no vegetables, no meat left on the table. And it was just rice. And even rice, they couldn't eat it properly like they were able to other days, and they had to make way out of the things that they have left. So this one candle, if you buy it, that's providing a rice bag for a family. Now if you decide to buy 5 or more, that's going to be providing for a whole week for them. So don't think that you're doing little by, you know, buying one candle. That's doing already a lot. And maybe you can form a group together to support this even more. And I have seen with my own eyes and have been able to hear their stories, and they know that you are hearing their stories, and they are counting on us. They are counting on us, those that are, you know, living in a much better condition, those that have roofs up our head, and those that have food on our table. So I invite you today to do your part and to be a part of this community and to giving back and be a blessing to those around you.